Good day everyone, my name is Olaide Alim. In this video you are going to learn about how to register and activate your RoyalQ account. How to register and activate your RoyalQ account. So I need to let us know that we need $120 to activate our RoyalQ account, and we also need $20 for fuel fill. In total, for RoyalQ account to be active and activated on our phone, we need $140. We need $140. So it's just like you are buying the software that will be trading cryptocurrency for you 24/7, and you are buying it for 1 year. You are paying this money for 1 year, which is even cheaper. I could remember when I was subscribing to a signal provider, I was paying $300 every month. But RoyalQ case is not like that. You are paying just $120 and extra $20 for the fuel fee, making $140 in total. So what are you going to do for you to register and activate your RoyalQ account? So what you need to do, it is very, very simple. The first thing that you need to do is to download RoyalQ official app. So download RoyalQ official app. If you are using iPhone, you can download it on their website. If you are using Android, you can download it via their website. So you need to go to royalqs.com. As you can see it on my screen, just type it on your browser, royalqs.com. The reason why you need to go through that website is that for you not to download fake app, for you to know that the app that you are downloading is original, and the app is directly from their website, which is why you need to go through their official website to download the app. So you need to go through their official website to do what? To download the app. Now, if you are using iPhone, just click on this App Store. Once you click on the App Store, it will redirect you to where you are going to download it on App Store. And if you are using Android, click on Google Play. As you can see it on my screen, you will be redirected to where you are going to download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded, my own has been downloaded already, and all I need to do is to open it. Once I open it, I will see something like this. If you are a registered member, you need to just enter your email address and the password. But you are new. So all you need to do is to click on register now. You need to click on register now. I need to tell you that we can register our account for free on RoyalQ. It is when we want to activate our account that we need $140 to activate our account. So the first thing that we are going to do is to select our location. It depends on your location. It depends on your country. In my own case, I'm going to select Nigeria, confirm, and after that, I'm going to type in my email. You need to type in your email. You need to type in your email here. So you need to type in the email. So after that, you need to type in your password. Make sure that your password is between 6 to 12 digits. Can be anything. Nigeria 1111, South Africa 111, anything that you can think of. Just make sure that 6 long. It is 6 digits long. We are using this as example. I'm using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You need to repeat the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And the next thing that we are going to do, you are going to see where they write enter verification code, all you need to do is that they want to send a code to the email that you provided at the top. They want to know whether the email belongs to you or the email is not your email, which is why you need to use your active email address. So we then need to send a code. We need to send a code. Just click on send code. Now they are going to send the code to the email that we entered at the top. They will send the code to that email. So you need to check your email to see the code. You need to check your email to see the code. So as we can see, this is the email from RoyalQ. They need to click on it for us to see the code. And this is the code 461016. That is the code that we are going to enter, 461016. So we need to enter 461016 here. 461016. That's what we are going to enter. And in here, the last one, please enter invitation code. This way is very, very important. So if you are watching this video on the website, just scroll down on this website, you are going to see the invitation code that you are going to use. But if someone referred you to this website, you need to ask the person. Sorry, if someone sent this video to you, you need to ask the person for his or her invitation code. The person will give you his or her invitation code. But if you are watching this video on this website or on YouTube, scroll down, you will see the invitation code that you are going to use. But if the person send this video to you, the person will give you invitation code. There is no way you can register without invitation code. You need to have invitation code before you register. In the situation whereby you don't have your invitation code, please contact the person that shared this video to you. The person will give you his or her invitation code. Invitation code is very, very important. But let's assume you are watching on the website. Scroll down on this website as well. You are going to see the invitation code that you are going to type here. Okay, I'm going to make use of this invitation code, but make sure that you use the invitation code of the person that shared this video to you. If the person didn't send the invitation code to you, ask the person about the invitation code. It is very, very important. But if you are watching it on the website, scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see the invitation code that you will use. So in this case, I'm going to type this invitation code to this place. Going to type it. This is the sample of the invitation code, and this is how the invitation code of the person that sent this video to you, this is how it's going to look like. In the situation where I form invitations, if I just type anything here, it won't go. You need to type correct invitation code that you get from the person that sent this video to you. If you are watching on the website, scroll down. When you are watching on the website, scroll down to read the contents. You are going to see the invitation code that you are going to use. But if someone forwards this video to you, use his or her invitation code. It is very, very important for the person to guide you further. As we all know, there is no way we can register on RoyalQ without invitation code. With that being said, the next thing that we are going to do is to click on I have carefully read. If you have the time, just click on the service agreement, read it for you to understand. But for me, I have read it before. So if you have the time, just go through it. If you don't have the time, just click on I have carefully read the service agreement and user privacy policy. After that, the last thing that we are going to do is to click on register. So click on register. As we can see, confirm password are assistant. I need to let me see the password that I used there. 56. As you can see the error. The second one did not carry. Okay, the second didn't carry 7. As I'm saying, this is a test account. I'm not using this account for anything. Don't mind the way I type the password, and don't assume that this is the password that I'm using. No. So it is a test account. That is why I can refer the password here. Now, after that, I need to click on register. So you need to drag this, drag it to where it's supposed to be, like that. As you can see, I drag it from here to here. Drag it from here to here. Voila! The account has been registered. Now let's log into our account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as the password. Click on login. Voila! I have logged in. So the next thing that I'm going to do, once you log in like that, just click on mine where you see mine. Because RoyalKey will give you just generic username, we need to change it. Click on mine. Click on where you see your email address and click on username. So I can change it to Mr. Olaide. Can change it to Mr. Olaide. Can change it to anything, your nickname, your name, and all that. Make sure that you do it. As you can see, it has been changed. It has been changed. It has been changed. It has been changed. So the next that you are going to do, make sure that you click on Professional Edition. Click on Professional Edition and answer the question. I have agreed. Click on I have agreed, Professional Edition. Professional Edition. I have agreed. You need to answer the question. So there's something that we need to know when answering the question. Like the first question now, we have option A and B. B is the answer. The second question, we have option A, B, C. C is the answer. The third question, we have option A, B. B is the answer. So let's go. We are done. Need to click on submit. At times, it will not activate because the button is supposed to move to the other side. If your own is like that, that means you need to activate your account first before you can activate it. Before you can activate, they want you to activate your account by funding your RoyalKey account before this button can be activated. But it is very, very important to put it in Professional Edition, because by putting it to Professional Edition, you will see all the coin on the RoyalKey, and you will see all the coin on RoyalKey. If it is not on Professional Edition, you won't see all the coin. Make sure that once you fund your account and activate your account, make sure that you put it to Professional Edition. Okay, as you can see, it has been activated. What I did is very, very simple. I closed the app. I closed the RoyalKey app. Like out of the app that you open Facebook, you open Instagram, you open RoyalKey app. You now close RoyalKey. When you close RoyalKey, you have a Facebook app open. You will have Instagram open. Like, what I'm saying is this. As you can see, I have RoyalKey here. The second app, I have WhatsApp, like that. You can swipe this one up to close RoyalKey and reopen it back. That is exactly what I did, and After that, like this, I just swipe. Once you swipe, Royal Queue will be closed. That is what I did. And once you do that Royal Queue, you will close Royal Queue and you will relaunch it. That's what I did. As you can see, I have this Royal Queue app. The second one, Play Store. The third one, the Chrome. The fourth one is Let View. So I now swipe. I want to swipe Royal Queue. I close it. It depends on your phone. Like this one, I swipe. Once I swipe it won't be there again. I will have 3 apps open instead of 4. So what I need to do is to open the app back. Check where I install it and open it back like this. Once you open it back and you click on Mine Back, that professional edition will be there. So in our next video, I'm going to teach us on how to fund our Royal Queue account and how to activate our Royal Queue account. Thank you. See you in my next video.